Hello, this is Christina coming to you from sunny California and my kitchen corner. Today I would like to share with you that I am participating in a upcycled jar or bottle collaboration, and this is being hosted by three lovely ladies, and that is Carrie from Mama Dares to DIY, Sukaina from Terrarium and Crafts, and Keisha from Sweet Urban Rose. In this collaboration, they're asking that we use a jar or a bottle and to create anything that we would like. I used 3 spaghetti sauce jars. I was able to create the centerpiece by using items I already had at home, like a piece of wood, tea lights, metal dishes, and I had some greenery and some florals. And I wanted to create a lantern centerpiece for my back patio for the summer. So I decided I would give it a try. I wish I would have had one more tea light, but I didn't. So I decided to put some florals in one of the jars. I think it came out quite nice. Let me show you how I put this together. I would like to thank Carrie, Sukaina, and Keisha for hosting this collaboration. I'll be linking below their channels and the playlist to this collaboration. and we hope that you go to each and every one of our videos and enjoy them. If you like this video, please share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. I would appreciate it. Goodbye.